Getting started with chatbots. You are now aware of the benefits that chatbots can provide to your customers and for your business. It is important that you understand that you will need to do some preparation work and put in some effort when you purchase chatbot software. No chatbot program is going to be ready right out of the box for your business. What are your goals for your chatbot? To get the most out of your chatbot marketing, you need to set goals for it. You need to think about what you want to achieve with your chatbot strategy and write this down. A chatbot can help your business in a number of important areas, such as increase sales of current products and services, promote new products and services that you are planning to launch, generate new leads for your business over multiple platforms, provide customer service assistance and solutions. You need to think through all of these scenarios and decide how a chatbot will provide the right solutions for you. If one of your goals is to sell more of your current products and services, then what increase in revenue are you looking for? What products and services do you want your chatbot to promote the most? Using a chatbot to help with the launch of new products and services is a good strategy. What are your goals with this? How will you make your customers aware that you are launching new products and services using your chatbot software? Lead generation is important for all businesses. How many new leads do you want to generate over a period of time? What process will you use to generate these leads? Will you use an email list to set up your chatbot to encourage visitors to opt into your email list? Customer service requests can be many and varied. You need to define what you want your chatbot to do to increase customer satisfaction. If you measure customer satisfaction, which you should, then what increase are you looking for with the deployment of chatbots? What are the needs of your audience? It is likely that you will connect with your audience in a variety of different ways. Some will use your website and may already be customers of your business. Others will find you on social media, and you will need to use a different chatbot marketing approach here. You are going to need to decide an approach for the different types of visitors that you receive. The way that Facebook users will interact with your business is likely to be different to how Twitter users will, for example. For visitors to your website, you will need a different approach again. How will you engage with your customers? Customer engagement is very important, and when you get this right, you will have the maximum chance of improving your conversions. You need to decide what kind of content you will use to engage your customers when you use a chatbot. If you regularly receive different questions from customers about your products and services and other aspects of your business, such as payment terms and guarantees, then it is a good idea to start off by creating a frequently asked questions FAQ section. You can add this to your website, and it is good content for your chatbot program. Do you have customer service representatives in your business now? If so, ask them what kind of questions customers regularly ask. Perhaps you have a sales department where customers can discuss their requirements. Again, find out what customers ask when they are looking to purchase your products and services. When you are operating different channels, such as your website, a mobile app, and social media profiles, you need to know what information customers are looking for with all of these different channels. You want to create chatbots for these channels that will be able to provide instant answers that will meet the needs of your customers. You are now into the planning stage with your chatbot. We will cover this in more detail later in the training. Use the goals that you created to drive the plans that you make for your chatbot. The type of content that you use to engage your customers needs to align with your chatbot marketing goals. What personality do you want for your chatbot? It's okay, we haven't gone crazy. We know that a chatbot is just a computer program, but you can set it up with a personality. You want your chatbot to greet your visitors in a warm way and be as friendly as possible. Why not give your chatbot a name that your customers will remember? You can really get creative here, and we encourage you to do that. When you have a chatbot that is friendly and will give your customers the perception that it will take care of them, then you are onto a winner. Your aim here is to make your chatbot feel as human as possible. Think about how you would want a chatbot to treat you. Make your chatbot very courteous and polite and ask customers how it can help them. How will you welcome your customers? Not all of your customers are going to be thrilled by the prospect of dealing with a chatbot. You need to try and make everyone happy to use the chatbot, and the best way to do this is to create a great first impression. A compelling welcome message from your chatbot will go a long way to making your customers happy. The last thing that they want to do is feel like they are dealing with a boring, automated machine. Always remember that your aim must be to get your chatbot to engage with your customers, so make your welcome message special for them. Tell your customers that they are dealing with an automated service. If you try and trick people into thinking they are dealing with a real person, they will find you out and they will spread the word like wildfire. You need to make everything clear from the start. It is essential that you set the right expectations when you are using chatbots. Get your chatbot to ask your customers questions. If you were talking to a customer, then you would do this to keep the conversation going. So set up your chatbot in the same way. When your chatbot asks your customers questions, you can glean important information about what they really want. Let your customers know that you have put a lot of time and effort in setting up your chatbot, but you accept that there is always room for improvement. Give your customers the opportunity to suggest improvements to your chatbot if they want to do that. You can tell your customers that your chatbot is smart, but also tell them that it is not as smart as they are. In the next video, we will discuss the most common chatbot marketing mistakes that you need to avoid.